morning.
I just wanna do
You're such a
it.
ham for the camera in the morning. You ready to go on an adventure today?
We're gonna leave the house today. And it's to go see something we're so excited about that has been waiting for us.
Okay, but first you gotta.
Oh, I hear Roxanne. You hear Roxanne?
Okay.
Roxanne, come up here.
Poor Roxanne has a scratch, and so she has to wear a cone.
It's a donut.
I highly recommend the donut over the cone, though.
Yeah, she's ready for flying.
Hey!
Welcome to another video. Oh my gosh, we're so excited to be making new videos for you guys. And today we have something really, really exciting.
There's a bird in the sky.
There's
Moon
a
sees
bird.
it.
We're both really, really excited about it. I think Moon is too. He
Something
just
we've been
doesn't know
working
it
on
yet.
for forever, and we actually couldn't tell you guys about it because the pandemic just messed everything up.
Yeah.
And so now that the stay-at-home orders are starting to be lifted, we're going to take you to the office, and we have a big surprise.
It's a surprise for us too. Okay guys, we are on our way to the office. Oh my gosh, it's so weird being in the car. We haven't been in the car in so long, right Moon? All of your car toys are like new toys. We are bringing Moon with us, obviously. We don't have a babysitter. We're trying to just stay home, stay quarantined, all of that. So this is our first time going out to the office. We're going solo. No one is there. We have our masks with us. We're gonna wear these when we go out from the car to the office. We're required to wear these anytime we're outside. So we've got our masks, our face masks ready. But oh my God, this is gonna be such a huge moment.
All right, so we were shooting Jeffree Star's reveal, and literally like the day we were done with that, it was like, bam, the pandemic hit in the US.
Yep, we had been getting this other thing ready. We've been working on it for like probably a year now. And then yeah, bam.
We had to stop. What's up, guys?
Oh my gosh, okay, we're here at the office. Look at all the plants.
All our plants died.
We haven't been here in so long.
Aw, Moon! Why are the plants dead?
No one's been here to water them. Oh my gosh, is that all? Is that all though?
That's it!
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be opening these boxes. Joey's gonna clear them out and then we're gonna open them one at a time and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, okay, this is the first one we're gonna open.
First up is the Stella.
Oh, I know what the cell is.
Ready?
Yes,
Oh,
it's packaged very well.
it's another box. Another box.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, it's wrapped. Oh my gosh, there's a beak. Oh my gosh, there's a beak. Wait, that's a beak. Oh my gosh, okay, wait, I don't want to unveil it right now. Let's set one up and put it right here, okay?
Which one?
Let's do the test. Okay guys, so keep in mind we are doing this at our office warehouse space, which is obviously kind of messy, hasn't seen the light of day, hasn't seen a human in months. But we really just wanted to dive into these boxes and see how they look. And yeah, it's not gonna be some crazy polished reveal, but we wanted to share with you guys. So
You're seeing it the first time we're seeing it too, so.
yeah, I mean, this is just about us kind of sharing the behind the scenes of our world with you. and
Enough,
something
enough,
we're
enough.
really-
What is
Okay,
it?
okay,
What
okay,
is
okay,
it?
okay, okay, let's go.
Kate, what are you sitting on?
Guys, it's the Mr. Kate furniture line.
Woo!
Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna try not to get emotional because this is such a big deal. You guys, we started Mr. Kate 10 years ago. Oh my gosh. And we have been plugging away at, you know, just building our business, just Joey and I, and now with Moon, obviously our team we brought along the way, but this was like a little germ of an idea that Joey and I thought of back in our rental apartment. Remember, we'd have like hand-me-downs and
Yep.
side of the road finds. Some of them had termites in them. And now we've built this brand and company, and we now have a furniture line, and I'm so excited, you guys. But we've been working on these pieces and designing these pieces like virtually. We haven't seen them in person, and we got all of these samples delivered to the office literally right before the whole world shut down.
Let me get in on this excitement. And we're showing you guys the items today. First time we're seeing them, first time you're seeing them. We're not gonna show you all of them, but we're gonna show you a smattering.
Yeah, well, a lot of them come in different colorways. You want milk? He wants milk. A lot of them come in different colorways, different, most of them come in 2 different colors. So I think we only have like 1 color of each here.
Why don't you feed him? I'll continue talking. So one of our biggest goals with this collection was to make everything affordable. So everything's under $500. We got couches, beds, everything, all that.
We're always doing budget-friendly makeovers, and we know how much, you know, budget is a concern for the majority of you guys. Hello. And we wanted these pieces to be beautiful and statement-making and super high quality, elevated looking, but affordable.
Honestly, we just need your good vibes because we're hoping this is gonna see the light of the day. Like, we're doing everything we can, but like obviously everything got pushed back. Now we got to figure out like, are the factories open, da 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 da.
Yeah.
But we're gonna show you. We're gonna celebrate it, and
we're gonna celebrate it and think good things. So it's really important to me that all of these pieces be accessible from a design perspective so that everyone, no matter your style, you could find a piece that would work with your aesthetic. Because as you guys know, I think that every aesthetic is valid. Every creative aesthetic is valid. I don't like to stick to the trends or imprint my personal style onto you guys. I want you guys to feel celebrated and embrace your creative weirdness and be able to do you. So it's really, really, really important to me that these pieces are flexible in that way. Okay, so this first piece that we're looking at is the Tess sofa. So it's sort of like your New York glam sofa, a little bit of a combo of traditional with the sloped arms, a little bit of the tufting, but then also modern with the sort of straighter lines of the pillow, the non-tufting happening down on the cushions. And then another classic element are the wood turned legs. So this piece I think is super, super versatile because it could look amazing in kind of like a hip, minimalist room, or it could also look just so incredibly elegant in like a glam room with a shag rug and chandeliers and all those sort of opulent things. And then this is our other color, super light blush velvet, and we only got this sample shipped to us, so we haven't seen this one in person, but oh my gosh, both these are gonna be so pretty. I can't wait to style these in rooms. And this sofa is named after my sister Tess because she's just a chic little biche and is just someone who can combine a lot of styles herself. And yeah, I just wanted to like honor her and how much I love her by naming one of my favorite sofas after her. Now we are going to open up some more for you guys. We're not going to open up all of them, and also we have some changes potentially that we want to do to some because obviously these are all samples and it's our first time seeing them, but let's look at some more. Oh my gosh, you guys! This is the Daphne bed. So Some Like It Hot is my favorite Marilyn Monroe movie. It's basically when John Lennon is a drag queen. And Daphne is his drag queen name. So the origination of this bed was to have something that's kind of like mid-century modern meets vintage eclectic, like have the ability to style it in so many different ways. The channel tufting is what it's called when it goes up and down like that on the back, is beautifully tight together, so it looks really ornate. And then the details are really important to me, like the legs, because as you guys know, I love an area rug, and the legs are where the piece meets the area rug, so it needs to be a beautiful leg. And these brass tone legs that kind of taper down have that mid-century clean look to them. It's just such a beautiful bed, and oh my gosh, I literally am dying to style this in a space. Like, we are gonna find a bedroom to put this piece in as soon as it's out. To have a sectional in the collection, of course, because sectionals are so approachable for people because it just gives you a little bit more seating. It gives you the ability to kind of lay down. But the great thing about this sectional is that it's petite, so it can fit into like a smaller living room, a smaller apartment, all of that. And the chaise part of it can be transitional. So it can be on one side and the other, which is so great. So if you guys get sick of one layout in your room, you have the freedom to be able to change it up with. It's a great piece if you're renting because you'll be able to make it work in any new space. I love this blue velvet. I really think that dark blue, like a navy blue, is a neutral because you can style bright colors with it. You can style neutral gray, cream tones with it. So I really love this blue velvet, but we might play around with these fabrics on this one as well. Again, these are just our samples. We're seeing these for the first time. And this sectional has a really special name. It's named Winston. And the reason why I wanted to name it Winston is it is after our now late cat, Winston. You guys remember Winston? You've probably seen him in a bunch of videos and on my Instagram and all that because I've had him for 17 years. But a year ago, right before Moon was due, we very sadly had to put him down, and it was a really sad time for me and Joey. If you're part of our membership, we did a vlog when it happened. But anyways, Winston was the best couch cat ever. So of course our most sort of comfy, cozy, sectional vibe sofa needed to be named after the cuddliest, coziest kitty, Winston. And let's set up the camera and imagine a room we could put this beautiful piece in. This chair, her name is Effie because she's effing fantastic, right? I mean, look at her. Okay, I love the Effie chair for so many reasons. Number one, can we just talk about how fantastically amazing it is that the pattern of the plaid continues down onto the leg? So the whole concept with this one was an accent chair that could be comfortable, that could have clean enough lines that you could style it within a variety of styles, but then just had that little something that just made it the star of your room wherever it is, whether it's you get two of them and you turn it into a conversation area with a sofa, like how effing amazing would that look? Or you stick it in the corner in your bedroom with a little reading lamp behind it, throw a little throw on her. Oh my gosh, I love it. So we're gonna do another colorway in this one as well. We might do like a gray, more neutral, just to have it more accessible, obviously, because the plaid is like a bit of a adventurous moment. But I just think that the black and white plaid in that bold pattern is so classic. Okay, so I wanted to do an iron bed because I love iron beds. I just think they're so classic. I think they look beautiful in so many different styles. You can do them industrial, you can do them bohemian, you can do them traditional. This Primrose bed has this beautiful detailing. It's almost like molding inset in the headboard. And I named it Primrose because I've always loved that name, and it just has that sort of like, it's like vintage and cute, but also like kind of like sly, a little bit coy, and I feel like this bed has all of those things happening. And now it is time to meet Stella. Stella is named after my grandmother, Estelle, who is a vintage-inspired lass herself, and this is our most vintage-inspired piece. I just love the detailing, love the tufting. I love the wood detail at the bottom. just check it out. Okay, so the Estella Sofa is our most vintage lady in the bunch. This one is inspired by those classic pieces. The people who love a more classic, vintage, traditional style will love this piece. But guess what? It would also look so cool in like a minimalist bohemian application as well. So some of the details of the Stella that I love beyond the tufting and the color, of course, are the wood details at the bottom. So we have this wood runner that runs all along the front of it. Then this really just makes it look like the high quality piece that it is. And then Stella has a little hidden trick to her. Oh yes, the back folds down and it becomes a futon, which I just love because I know you guys love to be able to have spaces that convert. If you guys live in a smaller space, you have guests come over, all of that, to be able to flip the back down and turn it into a bed is just like so cool. So I love that we were able to do that all again within our inexpensive price point. This beautiful light teal kind of minty color is gorgeous. We also are gonna have a gray. I don't know, I might play with the fabric on this one. I do love this velvet on this because obviously it's very classic, but maybe we'll go for a little bit of a different texture with the lighter color. I don't know, we're still playing around. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just looked at my phone and it is Moon's nap time. There is more that we haven't shown you from the collection, obviously, but he's tired.
What do you guys think?
We're gonna go home and put Moon to sleep for his nap. But guys, this was so exciting for us, and like we couldn't just like come and look without sharing with you guys because you guys are part of our family. And yeah, you're part of our
Mr.
family.
K Furniture Collection.
Mr. K Furniture Collection is happening, and it's such a big moment.
Hey guys, so we're gonna put a link in the description below. We don't know when this is coming out yet, hopefully soon. But if you're interested to find out when it's gonna come out, make sure and click on that link so you can add your email address. We're not adding you to like our mailing list, we're just basically making a list of people who wanna know when the Mr. K Furniture line drops. And
Hopefully it'll be
hopefully it's gonna be
soon.
everywhere.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be soon, and obviously it ships to your door so you don't have to go to any stores. All right guys, so thank you for watching this mad dash video, sharing these samples with you guys. It was just something I really wanted to do. So give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let us know what's your favorite pieces that you saw today. And yeah, join that mailing list like Joey said for notifications on when this collection drops because it's just really exciting. So let's go take a nap. Okay, stay creative, stay weird, stay you because I'm not.
Hey, guys.
What?
Next video that comes out is our Airstream reveal. We're done.
Oh my god. Finally, the Airstream reveal. It looks so cool. Wait, oh my god, just stay tuned, stay tuned. All right, your sneak peek. What was once a beige vinyl monstrosity is now hardwood, a smoky mint. Oh, just maybe a marble finish. Oh, just maybe a farmhouse sink with a little brass. Goodbye, beige interior. Hello, blank white canvas for me to get creatively weird on.